Model A to take a look at. 1928 Ford Model A Roadster. Rumble seat car, as you can see. Of course, underneath the hood, 201 L-head inline 4-cylinder, and that's paired up with 3-speed manual transmission. Should take a close look at this front grille and radiator surround. Chrome looks good. Headlight buckets. Nice looking on this car also. Chrome bumper. All the bright shiny things up front looking good on this one. Paint. Little older paint on it, and I'll kind of point out a few of the imperfections, and you can see those in the still pictures also. And speaking of still pictures, easiest way, go to our website, check out all the pictures, underside of this car, engine, interior, the rumble seat area. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there, and of course you can always call us to 507-386-1726. Wide white, spoked wheels. Now, as far as the body of this car, let me go through a few things on this. Fenders, boards, both sides, all steel. Hood steel, doors steel, the tub, if you will, or the body of it, cowl area, and then of course the rear trunk lid or the rumble seat lid, that area would be composite or glass, FYI. So it's steel fenders, steel hood, steel doors, and then a composite body, FYI. Paint, like I said, a few touch-ups up here in the hood. You can see some just kind of light scratches in it. To me, the Model A's, you get too fancy a paint on a stock Model A, and it just doesn't look right. You get something that's got a little bit of age to it, kind of goes with the age of the car. I don't know, they look a lot more authentic. This particular car we have had running around our parking lot, frontage road. We'll fire it up here. So it runs and drives, not a problem there. You can see the luggage rack on the back of it. But if you wanted to take this car to the next level, maybe a little bit of fine tuning, but overall, nice looking little Model A Roadster that's priced accordingly. And you can also remember, now we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but you want to double check with your sales associate first on that one. And again, still pictures. You want to check out this rumble seat area. You can see the top up, top down in this car in the still pictures, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's a couple touch-up spots. Now, you know, if I can get them to show up on the rear deck. Yeah, it's kind of tough to see. You'll see them in the still pictures where I pointed out. Might be a little black touch-up paint on some of the fenders up on the top. But again, overall, you can see the car has a nice look to it. Side-mounted spare. Gotta love those on there. Classic look. Top is in nice shape. Vinyl top. Looks as it should. Tightens down nice and tight up front on the windshield. And again, you can see that in the still pictures. Now, one of the things I want to show you on this one too, and there's a little note down here, and I'm going to leave it on. Of course, this is the choke. Pull this out, and that's going to be the choke. But underneath here, and I do have it in the still pictures, there is a gas lever you're going to want to turn. So the lever is going straight up and down. That means the gas flow is on. We'll do that right now. It is on. We're going to turn the key. I did notice that this one with a little choke seems to start the best. We're going to show you just a tad. All right, now it'll go. Just a little bit of choke to choke it. Seems like it'll fire off. Set the throttle, and of course the timing up here. Get that dialed in just right. And should purr like a kitten. There we go. Should take a look at the seat. Clear rips, tears, holes. Vinyl on the interior looks good. Rubber floor mat. Sounds like you'd expect out of a 201 inline 4, that L-head 4-cylinder will put in the Model A's. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to open at least one hood panel here for you. Check out the engine bay in this video so you can see that engine run.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there's a shot for you. And again, we've had this running and driving out in our frontage road parking lot. There you go, 1928 Ford Model A Roadster rumble seat car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but check with your sales associate first when you call in or email.